Hey everyone, you're watching a sample that's coming from our Home Health Marketing Bootcamp. That's right, over 7 hours of amazing content that's going to be able to help you guys learn what steps you need to take in order to become that preferred provider. So just want to let you guys know, please make sure you stop by 10xpatientreferrals.com and sign up for this bootcamp. It is only available for a limited time at this moment. Most companies are stuck in the old ways of marketing. They're stuck at the, like they're marketing their home health or home care company like it was the year 2000. Heck, if you're still marketing your company like it's the year 2010, you are already in a disadvantage. If you have not changed your marketing strategies or added some strategies in your marketing, you are already in a disadvantage. And that's the truth. A lot of people are still relying on what they call lunch and learns. And I'll share with you guys right now, I hate lunch and learns. I can't believe companies are still doing lunch and learns. I laugh at agencies that still do lunch and learns. Now listen, I know what you're saying, like, hey Michael, but you know what? We do lunch and learns and we get referrals. Fine. But here's the thing, I'm also gonna ask a lot of you guys is, how many lunch and learns did you guys do to get where you are? How many times have you guys done lunch and learns, then all of a sudden the people that you guys did a presentation to will say something like, we really liked your presentation. The next time that we have a patient, we're going to give you guys a call. Then my question next is, did they give you a call? How many of the people that you did gave you guys a call? And here's the thing. You may get that referral, but did they stick with you guys and continuously and gave you guys referrals? Or did they give you a referral just because to say thank you that you fed them? Like, I deal with so many referral sources and I talk to so many of them that I have referral sources right now from agencies that will invite me and say, hey, Michael, why don't you come over to this lunch and learn? Another agency is coming in. Just let you know, we're still using your agency. It's just that they're bringing free food. Now, we know, Michael, you still give us some free food, but we still want them. That's perfectly fine. And here I am attending these lunch and learns and I'm enjoying a meal and they don't even know that I'm part of a different agency. And I could say no, right? But I got invited. I want to see my competition. There's nothing wrong with that. It's their fault that they did not find out what my position was. They never asked me. And that's another thing that we want to do, is that we want to teach you guys when you are presenting out there in the world that you guys do address everybody in the room and you do find out, who are the decision makers in there. You have to understand, doctors, nursing home social workers in them, hospital social workers in them, they actually have calendars. I've seen these where they know who's going to feed them on a daily basis. And they purposely will call agencies to come in to do a presentation so that they get fed. And here they are, fed all throughout the year. Right? Pay attention to that. And so lunch and learns are not working. I see agencies, for example, right now still advertising in newspapers. And I always tell people, like, when's the last time you picked up a newspaper? Like, I can tell you the last time I picked up a newspaper, it was a USA Today, which is one of those meaningless, papers that I got when I was in a trip in California. And it came in my doorstep because I was staying in a hotel that gave it for free. But let me ask you guys, when's the last time you picked up a newspaper? When's the last time that somebody picked up picked up a newspaper in your area, went to page 53 where your advertising is, and was the right person to call you or needed your services? We also need to understand that how we market also needs to be planned out, where we are actually distributing our voice, our information about our company, because there's no sense in advertising in places when you don't know and you don't have the right target. Even when people are still doing commercials, for example, right? I see a lot of large franchise organization, home care companies still advertising every now and then. They'll put it at the Hallmark channel, but that's another thing, guys, is like, who watches Hallmark? Okay, I'm sure people does. But are you doing what we call vanilla marketing rather than me, for example, for home care, I'll do Facebook marketing. I'll target people at the age of 55 and plus, who's a female. And then I'm going to be specific and say, I'm going to have a certain advertising saying, hey, is your mother or is your father? And then we'll change the videos depending on what's there. And so that's the thing, is, are you more specific? Are you doing vanilla marketing, or are you doing like, double chunk chocolate chip cookie dough marketing? Meaning that you become more specific. And we're going to show you guys in this whole training how to become more specific in your marketing to be able to reach out to the right people that you're trying to do. You know, a lot of you guys are still doing what? The pens and the mugs, for example. When you go into facilities, you give out pens of your companies.